Hey guys, it's Kirby Vacuum Collector and Fixer, and right now I am gonna do my 516. No, I forgot if I actually tested it or not, but wait. So like I said, the bearings are kind of weird. Oh my god, this smells. So here's it real quick. Oh my god, that stinks. It has a real, it's burnt, it has a, yeah. I'm not gonna run it anymore. It has a really weird smell. Oh my god. And Tristan, this is Tristan Blair's bag. I was just borrowing it, but I tell you, it stinks. It has a, like it doesn't, it's not dirt. It smells like burning, smells like the motor's burning. So I'm definitely gonna need new bearings. In fact, this thing is identical to my to the Sanatronic 7 I used to have. It makes the same exact noise. The only difference is it actually has the sound of the metal fan, because the Sanatronic 7 I had, I put a Lexan fan in it because that's all I had. But still, it sounds just like it. That weird sound. And my D80, when I first got my D80, that's what this sounded like that. That sounded like this when I first got the D80. But I replaced the bearings, so now the D80 sounds good. This one's gonna need new bearings. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.